please.
I
Just
don't
bully him,
like
Mike.
Chris.
Just bully him, Mike. Bully, I'm not expecting you. Bully gave us... Bully, I'm watching your mom and you. Dude, can you give me a minute? Dude, will you verify me? Oh, you gave me a fucking UAV. Bully, can you shake your head yes or no? Will you give me it? I think he's gonna give me it. I think he's verifying me. He's gonna... Oh, he's gonna have to peacekeeper.
Oh, you verify me.
Hey, Bully, did you give me the mom and you?
No, you are.
Yes, please give me 1 minute.
Just verify. Like, no,
gonna kick you.
verify us.
I'm gonna kick you.
Verbündete Drohne nähert sich.
Don't kick, please.
You don't ask. Oh.
No, I just wanna ask. Like, I just wanna know.
Oh.
I wanna be...
Yeah.
I'm not gonna die. I just wanna know if he'll verify us.
Can we teleport?
Whoa, you froze us. Wow.
Bully, will you not do that to me, please, bro?
He put do not beg tomorrow.
Wow.
Yeah, don't beg. Do not beg.
Yeah, this one beg by the
Please don't
way.
kill me,
Wow.
please don't kill me.
Wow, please.
Oh my god, I'm messed up.
Whoa.
Dude, please don't kill me.
Yeah, please.
Please
Please
no
don't.
killing. Dude, can we have mom and you? Can you confirm us?
I'm not even confirmed.
Still,
I'm not even confirmed.
Don't kill me, I'm stuck. Oh my god. No, put it on. Dude, teleport me to the Skytech. Teleport me to the Skytech, please. I want to be teleported to Skytech.
Oh,
Just bully on the mic.
Oh, you got us first. Wait, what the heck? Where is
Verbündete
he?
Drohne nähert sich.
Where's that Mario real?
How's that his first account?
What?
You think his name? No, he changed his name probably.
Yeah, I sent him second out, kind of, so I'm up in here. No, why would you kill me? No, please don't kill me. Be on the platform. No, don't be like this, please. Please, please, no. Oh my god, no. Don't do this.
Oh, Godmode, yeah.
Yes, Godmode, just on you. Move. I can't move.
Yeah, neither.
Bully, come on, Bully. I see you over there with your mom and you. Bully,
Get out. Whoa,
I can't
move. What a... Oh, yeah.
Oh no, I
Yeah,
fell! I fell!
Yeah, please
Oh my
move.
god,
No, you can go.
It says BWP! Oh,
Yeah.
What do you do?
that's it!
Did you see that?
It says BWP!
Yo, I'm on top.
Where does it say BWP? Where does it say that?
Where you
Guys,
was, it says BWP.
Yeah, I know that. That's because he made the mom and you, I think. Wait, how do you get out of the map? Can you jump out of the map?
Oh, I'm just making
Wait,
it
hold on.
as well.
Hey, Call of Duty. What is that, Call of Duty? Bully, I see you. Bully, what's up, bro? Bully.
No, let me come to you, let me
Whoa.
come.
Yo, I fell.
Oh my
Bully,
god,
just
this
come
is
back
less
now.
than 21.
I'm getting up here.
Oh, wait, I fell. We have Godmode.
Wait, you don't do it!
Please,
Yeah,
come
got
on
one.
down. I'm on the bottom.
Drohne nähert sich.
Oh, how you down there? Who is that down there? Who is that? Me. Pizza, how you get there?
What?
Wow. Oh, he killed me,
How
never
you get
mind.
down
It's
there?
him.
I forgot. I turned off the mod menu.
Oh!
I'm under the map. Whoa. I'm under the map.
Oh!
Dude, that's sick.
Slow down.
Please
Yeah, thank
subscribe to
you.
my
Yo,
YouTube.
Drohne
I'm
nähert
under
sich.
the
Oh,
map.
I got phone calls. I got phone calls from
Satellit online.
X or
He's
whatever.
from?
Oh, I have an invisible gun.
I don't want
Yo, I have
to
an invisible gun.
It's from
Yo, I have an
X.
invisible gun.
I'm not trying
What?
to kill you.
I have an invisible gun.
Is this pretty easy? Everyone's
I'm under the map. Guys, I'm under the map. I want to kill myself though, but I
Okay, you know what's cute? You can see the first.
So guys, tell me
Can
where
you
you
kill me?
are.
Can someone kill me? I'm under the map. I have no gun. It's weird.
Guys, if you leave, you get the peacekeeper. You
No.
know that?
Whoa!
Oh, thank you, boy.
Don't kill us, my
Please
daddy.
don't freeze me. No, don't freeze me.
No, he's gonna kill us.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no,
he's put aimbot. He's put his aimbot on.
So you're gonna say you're winning the game, okay?
no. Come on, let me move, please.
Please let me. Oh my god. You keep hitting me though, that's the thing.
The ball hasn't set on you. He hasn't hit me. Come on. Oh, let's move.
Oh wait, they all have guns, that's that.
Oh yeah, we all do.
Drohne nähert sich.
Or, oh yeah.
Whee! Where's
Dude, I'm gonna go out to the truck. Let's go, Valley. Wait, hold on. Don't do it.
Truck, where are you? Full truck, tell me where you are.
Oh, no.
Verbündete Orbitalsatellit
Whoa,
online.
frick.
Whoa! Oh yeah,
I'm trying to move.
Point
I'm
where you
running.
wanna go.
Verbündete
There,
Wait, where you go?
Oh, wait, where are we? How did we get out
Yo,
here?
point,
No,
yo,
no,
what?
no, no,
Guys,
no,
point where you
no.
wanna go. Point where you
Oh,
wanna go.
police. Boy,
Oh,
look
it's
at
what
myself.
we did.
Man.
Where
Wow,
am
I'm under the map.
Oh well, I'm stuck. I'm
Wait,
stuck. Enjoy your stay. And
Well,
you
I'm on
know,
top of the roof. That's right.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
That's it.
Yeah, I'm stuck. I'm stuck too.
Oh my god, that's not my mag and my gun. My gun is messed up. I ain't got a gun,
Yeah,
it's
I
messed up.
got
I'm holding the gun, right? Yeah, stay.
Come on. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's gonna climb it.
Oh, it's a
we're on top
diesel.
of this. Oh my god.
Diesel.
Michael, tell me.
Oh, nice.
Hey.
I took my friend and said modded Bobby. He's loves modded. Mod Bobby.
Yeah. Yeah. Guys, stay on this. Why do people leave?
Steven.
Michael, join.
Michael, look at the
No.
Bobby, Michael.
You like this, don't you? Dude, come on.
Yeah.
Can you move up? Yeah, thank you.
Whoa.
Thank you. Bully. Bring me. Hey, it's leaving. It's leaving.
Right,
It's
that's
leaving.
good.
That thing's out of here. Michael, you like bro?
Thank you, sir.
Isn't this awesome?
Where are you?
Michael, hey, can you put no gravity on? Thank you, that's what I need. Oh no, I'm under the map. How does he have that where it says who's hosting it? He can get banned for doing that. How does he get banned?
No, Nintendo can't do blah blah blah. Yes, they
Oh,
can't
they
do
told
anything.
him he could? They let him?
No, they can do that.
Oh, okay, that's what he can.
He's an
Why
anonymous
let him to get banned?
Yo, he's an anonymous hacker. You can hack them.
Holy
What?
shit.
Oh, something.
There are there's a bridge.
Oh my god. What
I'm
the
gonna-
hell?
Why
No,
keep
I want to
talking
do
to
this. Can you give me
I'm not.
Give me
Oh,
help to do the sea, please.
Oh, yeah.
I'm on the world.
Can we have diamonds? Can we have diamonds?
What?
Can we all have diamonds?
Yeah, he gives us
Oh, am I verified? No, I'm not verified. Fireworks.
Yeah, I'm off the map. Yay.
I keep dying. What the heck? Nope. Nuke. I think it's a nuke. Is it just a nuke?
Yeah, there you go. So it's, yeah, it feels like one. You're ready to die. You're ready to die.
I'm under the map.
You're ready to die.
I'm under the map. Can you help? Wait, can you help us? Can you help you guys?
He's trying to put me through. I'm freaking. Oh my god.
Whoa!
I'm under the map.
Yo!
Me too. It's freaking rolling. What's happening up there?
Oh my god. Pull me through.
Yo, how far am I? Yo, tell me, please. So far.
Can you spawn us on this?
Yo, can
Wait, he's doing zombie land? Nice one, help us up there. No, that's a good omen. Yeah, do zombie land. Go put us in zombie land. I'm playing Call of Duty like a 3 year old. Can you say your name? Can you say your name?
I'm stuck.
I'm stuck too. Bully has a
Please teleport me, please.
Yeah, can you help me?
Can you teleport me through? Please teleport us.
Pusher. Yes.
I feel like I'm playing Call of Duty like a 3 year old.
Dude, doesn't this feel good, guys? Being a modern life? Look at these. Thank you.
Thank you for letting us play this.
Where am I?
Bully, we can that's cool. I'm my screen. It says bully. I'm out of ammo. Guys, can you move out my way? I need some stuff. Guys, come on.
Yeah, please.
Don't do this. I hate this crap. Bully, please don't. Bully, no.
I'm trying to. I'm gonna push.
Yes, you're the legit modder. Black Ops 2.
It's legit modern.
Are you
Not
following me?
chicken, extra.
It seems like where I think you guys are following me.
Hey, I keep all right. Take the player back.
Oh my god. Look at them.
Oh, bully, you got a big old people. You got so many people in the lobby. He's a legit modder, guys. He's a legit modder.
Yeah.
Yo, please. Yeah, there you go. Thank you.
Let's play role play. What's that mean? Let's play
Is this modding?
Yeah, Lonnie.
No.
Yes,
Can
thank you. Can you give me some ammo? Can you give me? Oh no, I'm under the earth. Please kill me. Please kill me.
Yeah.
Please kill me.
I'm under the roof too. Please
What?
kill someone. I'm under the roof. So fun. No. This is so freaking fun.
Please. I don't know where that thing is. Can you teleport me?
No fun. Yeah. Give us more menus.
I can't get the one.
Give us more menus.
Yo, I think the game's gonna crash.
Yeah, you might want to stop. Yeah, because we have so many things right now.
Oh,
wait, can you give me infinite ammo? Well, can you give me some infinite ammo on my peacekeeper? I don't have no ammo. Calm down.
Oh,
No,
guys,
get
give
ready
it
to
a
die. Get ready to die, people.
Guys, this is zombie.
No, it's not, is it?
No, this is not. Yeah, I see water. It's just fine.
Oh! Oh.
That was awesome.
That was.
Är rånen
Oh
ner?
my god.
I wasn't even trying to kill. I was just like, I'm dead.